See, so I had some dark oak armor, but it all went away by the time I started recording. See if you saw a little bit. There's this magma. I don't have. Oh wait, I do because you can find it in the overworld. There's this obsidian. That might be interesting. Um, ooh, molten boots. This is lava bucket armor, and it's actually pretty cool because when you get lava bucket armor, you are fireproof. Ender boots. Don't know what those do. I need something cheap but very effective. I think it will have to be magma because I have some from running to those underwater thingies. I don't believe it makes you fireproof. If I remember correctly, I tested it and I either all the way died or nearly died because of it. But it has a little bit of protection. So, what? Okay. Wait, no. No, okay. Going in water doesn't make you take damage. For a second I thought that might be what happened. No, I actually took real fall damage. Imagine that. So, we need some ores. Not just to test the stuff, but because I actually need ores. Oh, look at this. Wonderful. I'm just mining out whatever's left in here because later I'm going to actually go to the mining dimension and switch all of my mining operations to there. Except for stuff that I can only find here, which I don't think is anything, actually. Ooh, iron. Gotta love having iron. So this is kind of boring. But let's enjoy it! In fact, this is a good time for me to show you why I have two dank knolls, so I can shove all the ores inside, and all I have is that stuff I have to deal with, so that my inventory doesn't fill up as quick. Ooh! Real diamonds! Instead of fake ones that I had to grow. It's only 3 though. Whatever. So, I was thinking, since I'm mining, I will tell you about some of my other mod pack experiences. If I can think of anything interesting. It might take a while. Oh, oops. Hold it down too long. Okay. Look, there's more iron. So, one time I was playing Minecraft, and I started doing things in it. Then I stopped because I got bored. Oh wait, that's what everyone does. One time, okay, I guess this isn't modded, it's just general Minecraftiness. Come to my inventory. So, a long time ago, when I was younger than I am now, like everyone was younger than they are now, I had this really cool Minecraft world on vanilla that I was having fun doing and stuff. This was like when I remember this because I was playing on the 1.7 snapshots. This was a long time ago. So, I was having fun on this Minecraft world, and I had started another one at the same time. You see, I generated this world in Minecraft Alpha because you know how the launcher has the use an old version feature? I like playing on old versions. So I generated it in Alpha and I played through some versions until 1.7, and then I was having fun with the snapshots and the Minecraft world. It's like Alpha mixed with the new terrain generation. It was cool. Yeah, actually I didn't have any 1.6 stuff. Funny. So I was I had the world, it was fun, I was playing around with the new 1.7 stuff, and exploring, and learning how to actually play Minecraft well, instead of just watching people do it and then not really do anything. And then I had another world, which was generated in alpha. Now you see, in Minecraft Alpha, you only have, I believe, up to 5 worlds you can create. So, I didn't have any others when I created that first one. So it was World 1. And then I had changed no, it was still called World 1, actually. And then I had later generated another Minecraft world in Alpha. And since in Alpha you can't name your worlds, it was also called World 1. Because for some reason it wasn't using the same Minecraft path or something. Now, later on I had backed up the world because I wasn't playing on it very much, and it was in my backup for Minecraft world stuff. It was called World 1, and then I wanted to save the other one, so I drug it in. I drug World 1, the new World 1, into the folder, and then it asked me, do you want to replace the files? And I clicked yes instinctively, and then I realized, no, wait, oh great, I just destroyed my favorite Minecraft world, didn't I? And yes, I did. And I can never find it again. The end. But, let's test out this system. Okay, so this is really slow. But I should get double the ores with it. What? Oh, that was a lag spike. I thought it was a crash. It did not output. Oh wait, I need to auto output enabled, right? Enabled. No. And auto input enabled. Okay. Put it in here. And it won't take it. Input, please. Alright, so that is not working. So instead of doing... No, I have to do this. But why wasn't it... It's odd. Let me put this back in here, just to simulate. It's supposed to be outputting. Okay, good. And then what I need is probably a pipe. And there are some pipes. So this one requires iron bars and redstone dust. This one, just iron ingots. That's what I will do. Iron ingots and dust. You guys don't understand how much I love pipes. So I had to get as many mods with pipes as I could. So let's make this pipe. This is from refined pipes. In fact, I need another thing from refined pipes. I need an extractor attachment, which is a piston, which I found has a lovely recipe. I have redstone. I need a wood log and an iron ingot. Much, much better than the other one, and the normal vanilla one. Wait, oh right, I need cobblestone. Yep, this is the one. Cobblestone. And 1, 2, it's shapeless as well, which is also cool. Okay, there's the piston, and then the piston and the ingots. Okay. Ta-da, and voila. Now I have the extracting attachment. Okay. Do this and do that. Ho 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 ho! It's working, except... Oh, I can't do a filter with this. Can I do a filter with the gold one? No. I have to... Come on. Oh, wait. No, well, this has to finish cooking first, so I don't know if it will pull out anything that this can't cook. So now we have to wait. Man, that's sad. What should we do in the meantime? So I was getting this ready. There was another block that I saw that I liked. There was a sawmill. I'm trying to find food right now. Didn't I have... Oh, right, here's something I can do. Because kelp is very wonderful. I love having cheaty things. I would love to automate this. Then I can have infinite wheat. Let me do this. Alright. There we go. So I have food. Now I can think. That's how it works, isn't it? I wanted that sawmill. Hello? Okay, it must be outside. How rude. Don't teleport near my house. You make me annoyed. Okay, time for another machine frame first. Because that's what I need for it. It's not in here. What I need. Aha, an iron nugget. And some more tin. I'll just get all of this stuff. Now, what else does this sawmill require? It needs stone and a saw blade. Let's actually do this all in here because I think I have almost everything I need. Okay. Then clear, and then this. Oh, I need glass. Easy. Glass. Oh, I need the gear. The gear. And then I need the coil. I have enough. Oh, I still haven't made this. Okay. This. I don't know why the auto move crafting is glitched like that, but it's a simple fix. Now I need the copper gears. I need the thermal expansion copper gears because they're a lot easier to craft. Okay, now I have 7. And I just need some stone. Diorite will do. Alright, and then the sawmill. Wonderful. Okay. Oh, oops. Okay, it's not pulling out anything it can't smell. That's good to know. Let me do another test. Just make sure I'm right. It's not a fluke. It slowly pulverizes the iron. It puts the iron dust into here, and then it pulls out the iron dust and not the other stuff. Wonderful! Very nice. Very, very good. Very good. Now, I want the sawmill. Yes, let me get some power to it. More power to ya. Okay, so now this is filling up with power. Because with the sawmill, I can just put these in, and if I'm correct, it gives me 6 wood, which is much better than the 4 I get, and I get sawdust. What can I do with this? Oh, I can make paper. That'll be useful. I can make a block of sawdust, and I can make sawdust flooring? Huh. What is this for? Anything? It's just, okay, whatever. Interesting. So, I need to get a chest. I should have an extra one somewhere. Here. Perfect. Then I'll just have it. No. Don't. Don't send your junk in there. Okay. All it's send was a cinnabar. No, we'll also do the nickel, but that's fine. I don't know how to remove, like, deactivate one of those sides. Isn't it going to take the nickel or the iron now? Hello? Function, please. Let's try this. Try attaching it again. It was working just a second ago. Come on. Does it have to be in front? It has to be in front. Okay. Well, that'll work for now. And then let me just awkwardly put this here and another pipe and another piston. Redstone. Iron and cobblestone. Okay. Iron ingots. Here we go. Sometimes my mouse moves so fast I can't hold anything in my inventory. Okay, this needs to be output. All output. I have to place this again. Actually, I don't think I need this here. In fact, let me see. I just don't feel like putting the chest next to it and having floating stuff. Auto eject enabled. Alright, this should work. And if it doesn't, I just need to add the thing. Let's put in the wood. Oh wow, this goes faster too. Wow. Okay, it is not extracting, so I guess I need to add this. Man, this goes fast. Very happy about that. Okay. The other thing I need to do is probably add input automation, but I'll do that later. Okay. Ugh. My storage is horrible. Horrendous. Horrible. But before I do that, I think I want some better power gen and some power storage. And then I'll work on my normal item storage. There was one thing from WTBW that I could craft, which was this simple battery. Wow, that is simple. Okay. I need a redstone block, 2 iron ingots, and groundium. Did I put it in any of these chests? Yes. Okay. Keep using that. Oh, right. There we go. Hello. Okay, there we go. I have a simple battery. Now, what to do is move the powery stuff. And like this. And like this. And then I want to put some kind of power gen over there. Sorry about the congestion. Now, I can't even make the generator here. Okay, so I believe I want to make this, not the compression, the Stirling dynamo, which is also very easy, and I still have a redstone flux coil left. So I need stone and an iron gear. I think I get the gist of it now. Oh, I can do that one as well. That's cool. Um, 2 iron ingots, I have those, and stone and red. Wow, that's easy actually. In fact, I could probably make 2. I just need some more gold. Uh-huh. And another iron gear. This will make way more power for me than those solar panels, I'm quite sure. And what I could even do is have this feed the wood into the dynamos. That would be cool. Okay, so I have the stuff. I need the stone. Wonderful. And then 2 Stirling dynamos coming right up. Wonderful. Okay, let's put these here. After I put the power, do I need a crescent hammer to rotate them? Aha! Aha! Yes, that's what I'm talking about. And then, yeah, I think I'm gonna try the pipes stuff. Even though I don't have any kind of filter. Yeah. And then wonder if I can just put a hopper there. Speaking of that, I should have tons of iron here. Perfect. Okay. And then yes, a hopper. And that connects to the hopper. Can I use my wrench on it? No. Man, ruining my fun. Okay. Let me try this instead, and then just output to the bottom. Okay. Oh yeah, I just need to put this here. Yeah. That should work better. And then later I can actually add a filter to that, so that it only pulls... I need something to store that stuff, so that I can open it with a block on top. That's annoying, but I think it'll be fine. So it's going into these, right? It's going into this one. And it's already making power. And it's filling up the battery. Oh, what is it powering right now? Oh, great, they're falling out. That's not what I want. Yeah, go into this one. Ah. Okay. I will fuel them normally then. Okay. I will move the chest back to here. But I will use the hopper now because it's not right next to it, and this can still output to the bottom. Okay. Look at this. Except for I don't know why this isn't holding the power. Because everything here is full. And there's nothing going into there. So I take it this battery is trash? Wait a second. maybe I need to make one of these batteries and put it inside, like, uh, what's it called? Regtech? No, no, I'm wrong. So now I have the stupid battery. Okay, what about this one? No. What about this one? Okay, I can do that. That's an odd recipe. But I actually do have the iron for it. Four. How strange. And a redstone block. That's not what it needed. It needs clay. I have no idea why it needs clay. But that is, I appreciate the uniqueness of its recipe. Okay, there's a real battery that will store stuff. Let's put it there. And south should be output. Why is it not receiving power? Up. Oh, these are up and down. Wow, I like how they titled it, at least. Why is it not storing any power, though? What? Maybe it's the cables. So I should disconnect that, fill up your own dynamo power. That one too. Wow, that goes fast. Maybe I need a better cable. Wow, so these cables were short-lived. Ooh boy. Okay. Oh wait, no, there's those pipes. I can just make this one, redstone block and iron and glass. Man, lots of iron going around here. I almost said to waste, but not quite. Alright, and I can get rid of these. All of them, in fact. Hopefully, I have enough. Oh boy. Wait, no, not like this. These aren't supposed to be connected like that. Let me first... I actually want to see if this battery works, and it was just the cables that were the issue, first of all. Oh yeah, look, it does work. I think. Okay. Kind of. It's going up and down all glitchily. And does it keep its power? Oh, it does. Okay. Wow, this is very badly organized. In fact, what I should do is have all the power coming from the top. Not that. Like that. And then it fills the battery, and the battery exports the power, like this. And then I just need some more of those cables. Thankfully, I do have enough redstone. Alright. That is better. Okay. So let's let's actually finish cooking the ores. Yeah. Dump them in. I should have some kind of input for this too, shouldn't I? Let me do this. Go around the gap where I'll put the chest. I don't need to go back for a crafting table. I have one in my hand. Don't be stupid. Let me just use a normal one. I can open it. I can put the stuff in it. And I can tell this to auto input. And it will auto input when it can. This is going down Y. This is going up. This is going down. Am I just not generating enough power? What? This says its output is 0, but it's showing a bunch of... Ah, it was glitched out. Ah, there we go. That's fixing it. Okay, and I can just pull from here and put through here. Yeah, okay, I got it. It was graphically glitched. Wow, okay. Now these should be working just fine. And test how much strain it can handle, which can probably handle all of this at once. I'm going to turn on the sawmill at the same time. Look, the battery's full. Everything is working well. Very nice. Let me take a screenshot. Alright. Why did I do that anyway? Some impulses. So, I want to prepare for having a storage area before I do that in the next episode. And see, there is Ender Rift, but I don't have any of this stuff. I need something really cheap, preferably not even Nether required. This stuff, this is Router Reborn. What? We have a quarry, router conduit. Whoa. Power conduit. Item what? This stuff is cheap. What? Man. Wow. Now, what if I do this? Oh, I do need ender pearls. And I need to go to the nether because I need blaze powder. But for the rest of this, it's fairly cheap. Now, refined storage does need me to go to the nether and get lots of quartz. If I remember correctly. Yes, I need this quartz-enriched iron. I don't have enough power for that. It takes a ton. I also have pretty pipes. And that's just plain old expensive. Yeah. Not ready to do that. There was another mod I had that did storage. It was called... Where is it? Oh, I also have applied energistics that also requires quartz. But it's actually... I could... No, you know what? I don't want to do applied energistics. It's kind of complicated. There's another one that I'm still looking for. In here, I remember getting it, and I've seen the stuff. It's called... Come on, where is it? Do I have to just search it? Aha, here it is. Tom's Simple Storage Mod. Oh, I need to go to another for this too. Now, I want to try this and Router Reborn. But the only way to do that is to go to the nether. So, To prepare for the nether, let's go get some obsidian. And then in the next episode, we'll go to the nether and start, what's the word? And we'll start doing the storage mods. Now, this lava pool got in the way of my mining, and I think it's only fitting to get in its way by mining it. How poetic. Except for I don't do poetry. Come on, go faster, obsidian. Aha! 47! I love Vein Miner. Not because FTB Ultimine, because FTB now makes their mods. Like everyone wants to jump on the mod wagon now because 1.16 or something. I'm fine with that. Let's see if I can get this before it goes into the wall. Oh wait, I was mining what I was standing on. How stupid of me. But yes, before I used FTB Ultimine, I actually don't like Vein Miner, I like Ultimine because you can actually see the outline of what you're going to mine. But what I used to do to cheatily get obsidian is IC2 used to have, well, IC2 used to be around, you know, it's not around for the newest version. Anyway, in IC2 there were these cells that hold liquids, and I could get 2 water cells and 2 lava cells and craft them in the little small crafting thing here and turn it into obsidian. And with that, I could just go to a lava lake and spam right click it until I get like 64 stacks of cells, and then I get 64 stacks, not 64 stacks, that would be absurd, 64 cells. And then I go to water and get a stack of cells, and then I combine them and I get 32 obsidian, because each one requires 2, but it gets me obsidian. But this is nice. Okay, I will see you in the next episode. I'm going to probably do some work off camera, some organizing, at least upgrade my chests. But I'll see you. Wait, hold on, that's not how I do it. Goodbye! That's not how I do it either. Hold on. That's the end of the video! Bye! Next time on Minecraft with mods in it. I moved my storage, actually, underground. I moved chests because I got Tom's storage mod because I went to the nether without you. So, too bad for you, but it's okay, because there's still more stuff that I need from the nether. I wonder what cooked villager knows. What?